Okay, welcome everyone. Kevin Larocki with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is Tuesday, October 16th of 2018, and this is going to be my daily recap of all the trades that I made in chat today. I do this every day live in our live chat room as I share my charts and share my trades with our students as a way to teaching them how to do it themselves. I am not providing these trades for my students to mirror what I'm doing, though I know some of them do. But the point is I'm doing it to show and teach them how to be able to do it themselves and not rely on me in order to make trades. So anyway, I always start off the day with, I have two strategies. I always start off the day with my core strategy. My core strategy does very well first thing in the morning and in the evening after 7 p.m. The earlier that you trade in the morning, the easier it is to become profitable on the very first trade. And you can see here that actually my first three trades for the core strategy all were profitable. The very first one was profitable on the pound USD. It signaled a sell signal. We had really good, what I call EOM this morning, good pair correlation. All the markets, all the pairs were in sync. Some of the things that I teach in my trading. But nonetheless, I did get a really strong buy signal starting off the day with the pound USD. This is actually the pound USD chart over here. This is a 5-minute up here, and this is a 1 minute down here. You can see the exact minute that I went ahead and I entered the this picture. Actually, this should be right over here. Actually entered it at 9:01, which is 8:01 my time since I'm Central Time. And 5 minutes later, I did get out with a profit. And I had two additional core trades. They were all profitable. And then the rest of the day, I moved to a second strategy I call my nibble strategy, which includes using what I call the crystal ball method, which I teach. I don't provide a video for that, but I do teach it to my students. I'll do a full training once a month so they can understand exactly how to use the crystal ball method. What the crystal ball method is able to do is it predicts where the market is heading, up or down, usually within 2 or 3 minutes prior to market moving in that direction, which gives you time to place your trade. And so I did that, and I traded up until about I guess it was about 1 o'clock, 1:30 my time. This is actually East Coast time here. Ended the day at 6:1850. I had one student, I know he did over 700 today, and I had a student that started very first day. He made $165. So this is very teachable approach to trading Nadex binary options. And I think if you want to make a living out of trading, even if you want to do it on a part-time basis, I think what I have is probably the most effective approach you're going to see. And if you look at my track record, I'm now on day 55. That means I've only my service has only been open for 55 days of trading, and I know I'm up over, well over $14,000 so far. And you can go to YouTube and look at those results. But I can show you how to do this as well. I am offering an introductory rate right now. That's going to go up here pretty quickly because you can easily make the price of 1 month of service in a day, and I have students already doing that. So you're going to see my rates jump here pretty quickly because what I'm teaching is that good. And I think if you look at my track record, you'll see that as well. But nonetheless, that's it. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing another daily recap of the trades that I make tomorrow in chat. I'm expecting the rest of this week to have a lot of really good volatility, which I like to trade in, but my two strategies are designed to trade in both volatile markets as well as when the markets get choppy and get quiet. So nonetheless, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow with the next daily recap. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time. All you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.